Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we are at 5503 Whatcom Avenue here in Yakima. This is a 3-bedroom with 2 bathrooms. Located near the West Valley Walmart. Here we are. Right in the entrance we do have a closet. I'll show you. Let's go to our left. There's a room right to our right. It's a nice closet. Open it. Does open from both sides. As we continue on, there's a bathroom to our right. And bathtub. And here we have a small closet with shelves. Okay. Second bedroom. Here we have a closet. A little different from the other one. We continue down the hall. This door leads us into the laundry room where we have a washer dryer. And this door here leads us into the garage. Okay. As you can see, we have central air and heat. There's a thermostat. We're currently standing in the living room where we have a great view. Okay. That's the kitchen with the bar table. In the kitchen we have the stove, the microwave, the refrigerator, and the dishwasher. A lot of cabinets and drawers. Now here's the dining room. With also a big window that makes you see the outside. Nice view. This door is the pantry. And in here is the master bedroom, which is huge, with also a window. the fan. You also have a closet. Sorry, I need to turn on the light before we go in there. It is a walk-in closet. We are inside. Let's go into the bathroom. Where we have a shower. It's not a bathtub, but it has 2 sitting areas. Go ahead and let you admire the size of this room. Okay. Now I want to show you that backyard. Here's the dog. We have a dog next door. Not ours specifically, but there's a dog. See that man? It is quite long. And that porch has beautiful lights. Okay. We do have a small shed down here. It's a greenhouse. So it's not a shed, it's a greenhouse, seems like. Thank you for watching, you guys. If you want to proceed with the application, you can do so by just going on our website once again where you came up with this video, and on there you have the option of apply now. Once again, thank you for watching. Have a good day.